I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Well, hello there, and welcome to another edition of Kip Does Stuff. Today I will answer a question I get a lot in messages and in real life. What do you do with all the stuff you make? In a perfect world, I'd be able to sell a lot of it online or at some craft fair or some sort of thing. But in actuality, it ends up sitting on a shelf and taking up space. As I look around my shop, I can see plenty of things sitting on shelves that need to find a better home. This is the ant farm I made with every intention of putting ants in it. But I never bothered to get any of the ant colony kits I've seen online, and I'm not going to dig up an ant hill searching for a queen and some workers. My drill bit cabinet is still in use, but if I have to tell the truth, 90% of the time I use this little drill index more than anything stored here. Over here on the floor is the sandbox toy I made. I still need to take it apart and sand all the connections where the painted surfaces come in contact so it will work smoothly. On a shelf hidden by the door are some beverage totes and birdhouses I made to try to sell on Facebook Marketplace. I've seen an awful lot of crap being sold and bought on there, but I couldn't make a single sale. I should have said it was pallet or barnwood. That crap really sells. This shelf here has a collection of projects I made videos of and just random crap I made over the last 3 or 4 years. Birdhouses, a book press, a giant wooden mug, my Brock Sampson Bowie knife, and all sorts of useless crap. Next to that, laying on the top of an old microwave that for some reason I'm not allowed to throw away, are some of my decorative sword projects, as well as my henchman dart rifle and budget-friendly apocalypse weapon. I ran out of available space, so the cane sword lays over here with a few other decorative swords I have. The bike rack I made is still in use on my bike, but nothing has been carried on the rack as I don't do as much riding as I used to. This ugly yarn ornament has yet to be stolen or broken again, so it's still cluttering up the backyard. Oh, and the bank I made for my grandsons is in one of their bedrooms or sitting in the hallway somewhere. Who knows.